foil hot stamp imprints using an engraved magnesium plate, heat, and pressure. This process uses metallic or matte foil to stamp a variety of surfaces, including gloss, matte, and some high-density plastic bags. Hot stamp may be an ideal imprint process if you need an upscale retail look for plastic or paper bags, or a look that maintains some halftones. When we post-print multicolor imprints on our bags, it's a hand-fed, manual process. We fit each bag on the press pallet and run all of the first color imprints, then set up the press for the next color, and run each bag through again. When printing the second color, the bag's position may be slightly different each time they go on the press. We ask you to incorporate 1/8 of an inch of clear space around each color to accommodate slight color shifting. Our production team members are experts in producing the highest quality imprints possible and work hard to minimize color shifting. Having some extra clear space in the artwork will help ensure the imprint meets or exceeds your expectations. Your artwork can have areas where the foil overlaps as long as they are the same type. So, metallic foil can only overlap metallic foil, and matte foil can only overlap matte foil. The foil adhesive is designed to only stick to itself or the bag. By nature, white matte foil does not adhere strongly to other foils as well as ribbon or bow material. If you're interested in intricate multicolor or custom foil imprints, please contact our Design Center or Art Inquiry. We will review your design and offer recommendations to get the best possible imprint.